How's it going, people? Guy on the internet who doesn't like reviews, bring you a snack review, and this time it's from the Rap Snacks family. First up, you have Trina's Honeydew Cheese Puffs. Now, in the store, I saw that Trina either has her own honey jalapenos or she's taken over Fetty Wap's honey jalapenos. So I didn't really see a reason to get those or whatever because they're probably using the same recipe. And also, you have Lil Boat's, Lil Yachty's Ooh Wee Hot Cheese Fries. Let me just read the back of these things. Don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same way as everyone else. Lil Bo, Trina, let the chips fall where they lay, and where they land is where they stay. Let the chips fall where they lay, and where they land is where they stay. I don't know if that's stupid or deep or both. Anyway, let me try Trina's first because if the hot fries are hot, I don't have. I'm just gonna make a video without grabbing a glass of water. So they have a weird smell to them. They smell kind of old and or moldy, but still though, YOLO, whatever. Okay. 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 These are hot. These are good. They have a very distinct sweetness to them. You got that sharp cheddar flavor, but that sweet flavor, it just shines through. This is a banger. Trina, this is hot. So next, Lil Bo hot cheese fries. I can smell the spice. Alright. They aren't really that big, just like normal snack fries, but I'm gonna give it a go. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's put that down. That's probably the hottest thing that Lil Boat's dropped since his first mixtape. Like, damn. I need to cut this video off and just get some water because I'm not saying they're bad. If you like hot fries, like extremely hot fries, you're gonna enjoy those. But that's not something like the cheese flavor. It doesn't hit you. What hits you immediately is that hotness, and then the more you chew it and the more it goes down your throat, pause, the hotter it gets, and it's just like you're blowing out fucking smoke. What kind of spice are in this shit, Lil Bo? Blue cheese? What? No way. No way. That's just too fucking hot. There's got to be a culprit in here that makes these shit so goddamn hot. Onion and garlic powder, buttermilk powder. No, I don't see like any peppers or anything like that. So why are these shits? So maybe I just got the first batch. Let me try again real quick. Oh no! Oh no! Lil Bo, we're gonna leave. We're not gonna throw yours in the trash can, but we're not gonna be eating your bag, the rest of your bag. Like, No. Ooh, we is right, nigga. Throw, God damn, them bitches hot. But the Trina Honeydew Cheese Puffs, I don't know what time you're watching this video. I don't know where you are, but you need to get these bitches in your life, son. These bitches are ecstatic. Hmm. Hmm. For for good. Borderline trash. I'm just saying, borderline trash. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Yeah.